Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install VS Code on macOS. Okay, let's open Google Chrome and search for VS Code, and you can click on over here. This is the URL code.visualstudio.com. You will see download for macOS, or you can click on download over here. There are multiple options over here. We are going to choose Max over here, and then it's going to download the files for us. And let's open the folder over here. Okay, now we get the download files. Double click on the files, it will extract. The next step, you just drag this icon and drop it into the application, and then you can go to application. You will see Visual Studio Code here, or you can go to apps here and then open Visual Studio Code from here. Okay, right now we successfully installed Visual Studio Code, but there is one configuration that I want you to do in order to help you to be more productive to open a folder with Visual Studio Code. For example, if I create a folder on desktop here, and I want to open this folder via terminal. Okay, I right click and then go to new terminal, add folder, and if I type code dot, it won't understand what exactly is code over here. In order to make it understand code dot, I have to install shell command for code. Over here on my keyboard, I have to press Command Shift P, and then I type shell command, and over here you will see that install code command in path. Just click on this one and just click OK, and then enter the password and hit OK. Okay, shell code successfully installed in path. Let's try this again. Let's not code. You will see I trust this author, and here you will see that United folder is open via Visual Studio Code. If you go to terminal and click on new terminal, and this shows the path of the folder on desktop. Alright, we have successfully installed Visual Studio Code. Hope you like it. If you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe and comment down below.